In this video, we will learn how to create a ERC20 taxation token with auto liquidity and auto burning. Okay, let's move on towards compilation and deployment. As outcode is auto-compiled, because I had already clicked on auto-compile button. Now we will deploy our contract. Simply, we will click on Deploy button to deploy our contract. After clicking on Deploy button, MetaMask will open and will confirm the transaction. Now we will wait for the transaction to complete. After that, we will copy our contract address from Remix IDE and will move towards verification of our contract. We will search BSC Testnet because we want to verify the contract. We will click on First Link. Then we will search for our contract address. After searching, our contract will open. Now we will go to Contract section. After clicking Contract section, now we will click on Verify and Publish. We will now fill out these fields for verification of our contract. Now we will copy our code from Remix IDE because for verification we have to paste our code during verification. Then we will click on Verify and Publish. Now we have successfully verify and deploy our taxation contract. Now we will add liquidity using PancakeSwap, and there we will use BSC Testnet because we have deploy our contract on BSC Testnet. Okay, let's search for PancakeSwap. Now we will go to Earn section, and there we will select Farm Liquidity option. This way the liquidity page will open. After that, we will click on Add Liquidity option. Now we will add liquidity of our tokens in terms on test BNB. Now we will copy our token address and will search there for our token. We will now search for our token address, and then we will click on Add V2 to add V2 liquidity. Now we will use 0.5 test BNB in terms of 75% of our total supply. But we don't have this much test BNB, so we will use 0.45 test BNB. Then we will click on Enable T-Token button. MetaMask will open, and then we will confirm the transaction. I think there is some issue, so we'll again click on Enable button. After that, we will click on Add button to add liquidity of our tokens, and MetaMask will then open, so we will confirm this transaction. When we add liquidity, we get Cake LP tokens, so we will add this to our MetaMask. Now we will see our Add Liquidity transaction details on BSC Testnet Explorer. Now we will go to PancakeSwap again, and then we will go to Swap section, and then we will switch to our different wallet for swapping. On Swap section, we will again search for our token. We will now buy our token in terms of test BNB. Now we will add 0.01 test BNB for swapping. Then we will confirm the swap. There is some issue while swapping. Okay, we will lower the swap amount. Now we'll swap for 0.006 test BNB. Then we will click on Confirm Swap. After that, we will confirm our transactions from MetaMask. Now, same way, we will do 5 to 6 buy transactions. Okay, guys, now we will do one sell transaction to see the test BNB distribution to different wallets, which I had defined in our smart contract. Now we will do sell transaction up to 0.006 BNB. Then we will confirm the transaction using MetaMask, and we'll wait for the transaction to complete. Okay, guys, our sell transaction is completed. Now we will see transaction details using BSC Testnet Explorer. Here is the tax distribution details. Now I will show you my donation and marketing wallet address, which had received their share on the basis of percentage we have set in the contract. In these wallets, I had received some amount of test BNBs. Here are these wallets you can see. This is my donation wallet. This is my marketing wallet. In this video, we had learned how to deploy and verify ERC20 Taxation token, and for more details, you can contact us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates.